doesn't go into 8. But 2 goes into both of these, right? Okay, so the way that you would fix that is 2 to what power gives me 4? 2. 2 squared, right? 2 squared. So I'm going to change that 4 to 2 squared. I'm going to put it in parentheses. Okay, and 8 also could have a common base of 2. 2 to what power gives me 8? Let's try. You can do 2 to the second power gives me 4. Okay. 2 to the what power gives me 8? To the third power, right? So this one I'm changing the base to 2. 2 to the third power, changing the 8 to 2 to the third power times x plus 2. All right. Now they do have common bases, and we can use the rules of exponents to solve this. Okay. The rules of exponents say that if you have an exponent inside the parentheses and outside, you multiply those together. Okay, so just like we've done, we can just simply ignore the common base and bring down this. Okay, 2 times 2x minus 1 equals 3 times x plus 2. Again, we can just bring the exponents down, but you got to multiply the one inside times the one outside. Okay, so this is going to be just like one more step than what we did above. Okay, you distribute this in. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Okay, then 3 times x, 3x. Don't forget to take it to the 2. 3 times 2, 6. Right there again, we just have a two-step equation with variables on both sides. Okay, so I would move the 3x first. Doesn't really matter, but I like to move my variables first and get them all together, combine them. 4x minus 3x is 1x. Bring down my minus 2. Bring down my plus 6. Then add 2. 1x equals 8. Can even divide by 1 and get x equals 8. And for the most part, I've made all of these whole numbers just because I want you to feel confident when we're doing them, you know, and not sometimes getting fractions and weird decimals makes you feel like it's wrong, you know. So you were going to be going for whole numbers. Okay, and also again, I'm going to give you ones where it is not that difficult to find the common base. Okay, I'm not trying to kill anybody. I just want you to be able to know what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, are you with me on this one? No. No what? Okay, I knew you were lying. 4 is 9 to the 8 minus x equals 27 to the x minus 3. Okay, again, I said everyone beside it is going to be similar. Okay, so this one has the same problem, no common base. 9 and 27 aren't the same. But what goes into 9 and 27? 3, right? 9 is 3 to the what power? 3 to the second power. And 27 is 3 to the what power? 3 to the third power. 3 to the fourth power is 81. Right, but again, if you think you know it, you know what I mean, you can check it. You can just try it and then see, oh, wait, that's not it. This one happens to be 2 and 3, just like this one. Okay, it doesn't always going to be that way. All right, so then again, we are going to just take just the exponents and bring them down. 2 times a minus x equals 3 times x minus 3. And again, I'm going to let you guys finish this one. I'm going to come and check your answer. Okay. right, you got x equals 5?
Yep.
Right. Okay. If not, double check yourself. You can look at my work and see what I did. Okay. There it is. X equals 5. Okay. And the ones on the practice will also go in the same basic order. Okay. So you can kind of follow along and see which kind of problem you're doing. Any questions on number 4 or number 3? All right. Moving right along. Number 5.